Hello, my name is HC and welcome to my product review channel called This Brand, where I'll be reviewing products that I buy. Today I'm going to be reviewing a face cover. This one is called U-Mask. I bought this on the main website and it was recommended on wired.com. So when the pandemic first started, I was using disposable face covers and they're okay, but I really wanted to find something that was more reusable, comfortable, and obviously material friendly as well. So I chose this one. Reason being as well is that reading on wired.com and other Google reviews, UMass are basically the first biotech company that makes this type of mask, and it's so good that apparently even F1 drivers use it. So you probably notice on TV or in a picture when the F1 drivers are wearing these U masks, they have a obviously unique shape to it, so you can tell it's by U mask. And it's so good that even like F1 McLaren and Ferrari collaborate with UMask to make their own branded ones. So McLaren's got an orange one which says McLaren, and then Ferrari's got a red one that says Ferrari, but they're much more expensive compared to the original one. So this on the main website costs €39 for the whole pack, and what you do is get the mask, you get a refill, and obviously the manual with it. You can also buy the refill on its own, which costs €19. Now this is what the packaging looks like. It's very nice and thin, which is great. This came in through the post letterbox, so it saved me the hassle of having to go to the post office to collect it if I wasn't in. So let's open it and have a look. Okay, so inside you get the mask, you get the refill, and then you get the manual. So the manual, let's have a look. So the U-mask, it doesn't just block air contaminants on the mask surface, it destroys them inside the filter. So this mask is actually designed to be as good as the like medical ones, stuff like the N95 and the FPP2 certifications. So the cover itself apparently uses a material called E-colony. It's a fabric similar to the ones used for swimwear. So for this reason, it can be washed unlimited times, either by hand or in the washing machine, max 40 degrees, using, if desired, a sanitizing additive. The refill, the interchangeable filter, lasts up to 200 hours of actual use. So these are actually some of the key features as to why I chose this one over the many others, because the government talks about, we need to wear face covers. But I wanted to obviously be extra safe, and I decided to go for this because it's as good as the medical ones. So let's have a look at the mask itself, shall we? Right. You're going to notice that on the mask they actually have these little cutouts, and that's basically for where the filter goes in. So just get the filter out. As you can see, the filter as well as the mask have their unique U branding on it. So let's go ahead and place it into the mask. I put it on the wrong way. Right, there we go. Just adjust it to the shape. Perfect. Now I've actually worn the mask already and tested it for about 2 days now. The first time was going to the post office, so it's about a 10-minute walk there to the post office and a 10-minute walk back home. In terms of the comfort, it's really good. Like compared to a normal disposable one, the feel of it is really nice because the material is so thin as well. You know, you can obviously feel that there's something on your face, but it's very comfortable. And because of the way the shape is of the filter as well as the mask, your lips aren't actually touching the filter, nor is your nose. So like with a disposable, when you're breathing in, especially when you breathe in hard, you know, you tend to kind of suck the mask and it gets to your lips and then your nose, so it makes it very difficult, and so you have to keep adjusting it sometimes as well maybe. Whereas this one, it doesn't do any of that. You know, it's a great fit, and for us Asian people as well, we have quite, you know, a slim V shape face, so for me it fits really well. Now in terms of the sizing, I would have to say that if someone has like a bigger jaw, you know, big jaw lines, they may not find it really comfortable. But you know, on their website, it's a universal fit, so I presume it should be okay for all. So one thing I like about how this mask is designed is, as you can see, it comes up all the way to the tip here of my eye level, and because I am a glass wearer, one of the issues that we have is that when we're breathing, some of the air tends to rise upwards and then fogs the glasses. Now there's obviously actually ways to stop that, which is they recommend you can actually put your glasses and dip it into soapy water and then just let it air dry, and it kind of makes a coating over the glasses so it doesn't steam up. And I myself though use a product called Muck Off anti-fog spray. I'll put that in the description to help my glasses so that they don't steam up. So I think that the design of this is really, really well done, and I especially like the fact that, so with the disposable one, when you find it a bit difficult breathing, you want some, you know, fresh air in, I noticed that I had to keep removing it this way just to get some air in, because, you know, with the disposable ones, they were very, very fidgety. Whereas with this one, all I had to do was just, if you can see, just raise up a little bit while I'm walking, and it allowed the air to circulate in. And then when I just close it back down, you know, I don't need to readjust this part here like I did with the disposable ones, and I really hated that. You know, I kept, you know, fidgeting this part because I wear glasses. So with this mask, it's really, really good. It's really comfortable. It doesn't have the drawbacks that a disposable one has. It's reusable, it's rewashable as well. So that, you know, those are all great benefits to this kind of mask. The only downside is obviously the pricing, but that reflects in the quality. Like you can see the kind of packaging that they use. They even mentioned, like, you know, if you when you finish using it, you can pull it back into this, just to, you know, keep it safe and clean from, you know, dust and dirt and all that. So in terms of breathability, I wore it yesterday and I wore it today. It's a really, really hot day today, and I have to say that it's really good. You know, the air doesn't penetrate this, but it's much better than wearing a conventional disposable one. So overall, I would say if you're looking for a reusable, material friendly, and obviously a stylish mask, this one is well worth considering. There are lots of others on the market that you could look at too, but I personally like this one, and I'll wear it for the upcoming times and see how it gets on, and then maybe do another video review on it. I'm also going to be reviewing the Under Armour sports mask, because that one has quite some bold claims as well. So if you'd like to check out that review, just click on the link and watch my next video. Thank you. If you have any questions about it, or you want to review anything about this mask, you can always just drop me a message or leave a comment in the video. So what also I'm going to do is just, like I said, leave the link of the website as well as the information within the description. Thank you. See you next time.